Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm coming to you from my little Harry Potter room under the stairs. Before we get into the video today, I just want to say a massive thanks again for all the support that we've been getting, the comments, the subscriptions, the likes on the videos and stuff like that. It's hugely appreciated, especially when we've just started. So we'll get on to the video now and introduce two guests that you'll see quite often because they hang around with me and Callum. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Nervous about, right, nothing. Just Callum's S15 here. I've actually forgot what I was going to say already. Honestly, cool, calm, collected at all times. Don't get nervous. What was I saying? Also the seats, obviously fully mounted up and such like, but they've dropped a wee bit. There is actually a photo going around of Callum with them on. You'll put it on the video.
I will not put it on the video.
You need to put it on the video because you look. He's only about 4'9" as it is, but he's about 2'5" in that. You know.
Look at Chris in the background, posing.
That's Chris, he's also got his name tattooed on his arm, just in case he forgets.
Right guys, my name is Chris, aka Beefy. This is my Evo 8 that I imported January 2019. I won the winning bid at the end of January. Picked it up 1st of July from Torque GT, who imported it for me. And this is just a wee quick walk around. Here we have my headlights that were done by Custom Lights UK. So they were. We've done, in my opinion, a great job. So they done the flash of different colours and stuff. We also have the Cusco brace at the front. So we do. We also have the Mitsubishi badge wrapped in yellow to match the rest of the yellow, which is all different colours. Can I match them? No. And we also have the Extreme Carbon big front lip. So we do. If my cameraman would want to walk round to the side with me.
No, really. Fire the lights on.
We will fire the lights on, people. So we can have a look.
That was purely your choice there, Chris.
It was, wasn't it?
I was kind of thinking it would maybe be an end thing, like.
The viewers want to see it. That looks good, that.
There we have the lights on. I'm going to flick the indicator for them as well, just so they can see.
Well, entirely up to yourself, Chief. You
We'll
fire
try
them.
that, just for a wee bit of fun.
You're treating them. That does look quite good, that.
Something a bit different.
Don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like the light's about to take off.
It's the levelling thing, when that thing and they've gone daft.
Ideal. Right, turn them off.
We've not managed to put it out, probably wired them in wrong or something.
Callum, you're very in charge.
Very demanding, this man, isn't he?
The director. Look at him.
Here I am.
Anyway, if we want to walk round to the side now. Here we have Work ZR10s in ash bronze, wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1s. So they are asymmetric 6s, along with my brakes that was painted by Callum here at BNR Motorworks, who I think has done a great job. So he has. And
10 out of 10 on the TripAdvisor.
oh, definitely, definitely.
100%.
If you want to give him 10 out of 10, well, what would you give him? 12 out of 10.
1.
Also, got this painted by Graham, Dargavel Body Shop.
He also painted that S15.
He also painted the S15. Done this panel for me here. I think he's done a great job as well. Also got the extreme carbon side skirts. So we have.
Camera's not picking up that great because it's hella black, but there you go.
Along with some Team Heco wind deflectors, front and back. So we have. Also got the carbon here. Got a bit of gap here. We'll get Callum to sort this out. We'll get him in. I'm sure Callum will make a video on that, sorting the suspension out. It was a bit of rush to get the wheels on for a few shows, so it was. Round the back here. I'm a bit getting through here, maybe I should lose a bit more weight.
You nearly knocked yourself out
I
there.
did. Well, that's true. So here we've got an Evo 9 rear bumper, which I think just looks a lot better than the Evo 8 rear bumper. Just due to the fact it's big here, for me. It just makes it look a bit more aggressive, in my opinion. So it does. We've also got, which I believe are Evo 8 MR tail lights on the back. Also can't forget about the big B&R Motorworks sticker that's on the rear, so we can't. And also got the rear spats here for the Evo 9 bumper. And maybe take a wee look inside. There's not much done inside, but may as well while we're here. We have got an AMS carbon gear knob. So we have there. Also got Pro Sport gauges there, which I might look at changing. And just a Sony double head unit. That's all that's really been done on the inside so far. Along with the Recaro seats that come standard in an Evo. And yeah, that's pretty much my Evo. Thanks for watching my walk around of my Evo, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and leave a wee comment. Thanks.
Leave a wee comment. Where were you pointing now?
Down here, anywhere up here. Just leave a comment, guys.
Right. Why do I clear my nose?
That's fucking rotten.
Hey everyone, my name's Mark. I'm going to be a feature on this YouTube channel. I'm just going to show you the car here. Basically everything that's been done to it, everything that's going to be done to it. Just a wee talk through and just a wee run down the car really. Let's have a look at it. It's a 2008 Subaru Impreza GB270. I've had it for three and a half years now. And it's the best car I've had. It's actually the first petrol turbo car I've had, and honestly it's one of the best cars I've had so far. So I am planning on keeping it, and it's going to be a lot of stuff done to it, so there will be videos on that. So it is a 2.5 litre engine, so yes, my head gasket is on its way out. So there's no jokes in the comments about that, please, because I'm already in pain as it is. So if you know anybody that's good at giving head or doing head, give me a shout in the comments.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Because it needs done. Also, I'm getting the turbo upgraded while the engine's going to be in pieces. Bigger turbo, more power. It's kind of what I'm looking for, like. So that'll be getting done hopefully in the next month or two. So there'll be a video on that eventually. So keep your eyes open for that. Basically, Callum has done all the work to my car, going by the Sunstrip, just a wee bit of advertisement for him. Starting off, the big job he done was the front mount intercooler, which you can see through the grille there. The Pirin sticker on it, or a decal on it. That was the big first thing Callum did to her. I will show you under the bonnet. I don't really want to show you under the bonnet, to be honest, but I will show it. Also, she's running 8-pot K Sport brakes, probably similar to Kelvin's on his S15. Produces a lot of brake dust, as you can see, and with the white wheels it's a nightmare to keep clean. But I like the white with the blue, so I'll be keeping them for a wee while. Just original brakes on the backs, because I want to keep a working handbrake.
Got him!
Nah, there was no need for that at all, man.
There was need. She's running a custom exhaust that Callum made himself. It is legal. Just keep that in there. So I'll do a wee sound up about that because it does sound pretty good. Still got the Scooby Rumble, so that's what I want to keep. Everything else kind of standard inside. Just kind of want to keep it kind of standard inside, basically. As you see by the plaque, there is number 100 out of the 300 that the cars are made. Maybe look at that.
What the f is the plaque? Huh.
Just in the middle there.
Nice.
Mind the mess because it's quite empty inside. She is actually a famous car, so she is. She was actually in police interceptors down south. They used her on the motorway until they started changing the cars and other boring BMWs that do it. But I actually was featured in a few episodes, which I'm not too sure what episode it is, but she is on TV, which is basically made me buy the car more, to be honest.
I'll try and include a clip if I can find it. I'm sure you've got.
I've kept them all. I'll show you under the bonnet.
I thought you wanted this to be 6 minutes.
What size is it now? Like?
We're only at 4 minutes.
Oh no, I gotta talk a lot more. Oh, stop it hot.
Oh, she's warm.
So there's all the pipe work for the intercooler. We actually blanked off the dump valve, so she does do turbo noises. She's running a Pirin induction kit, which sounds insane. That's something else Callum was fitted here. While the engine is going, when the head's getting done, I'm also going to be doing the timing belt and the water pump because they are common going. So another thing I want to do it while it's in pieces. But once that's done, it should be remapped again. And hopefully, it should be running 100%. I hope so anyway, because it's been really kicked my arse the last few weeks. I'm sure Kelvin knows the feeling.
I do indeed. Damn.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never.
Is that recording now?
No.
Aye.
No.
It looks like he's going to church.
Okay, it's tight, man.
Look at the style, man.
Sexy, innit?